Hey there, dreamers! Ever fantasize about ditching the alarm clock and living life on your terms? Robert Kiyosaki's Retire Young, Retire Rich is your passport to that life. It's not just about counting dollars and cents, it's about understanding the game of money so you can make it work for you. Think of it as learning the secret handshake to a club where everyone's sipping mocktails on a yacht because they can afford to retire young. This isn't some stuffy finance book written by a guy in a suit who uses words like synergy and paradigm shift. Kiyosaki keeps it real, keeps it funny, and most importantly, keeps it achievable. He's like that friend who always seems to have the inside scoop, the one who tells you which slot machine is about to pay off big time. So, are you ready to trade commutes for cruises and board meetings for birdwatching? Retire young. Retire rich is your roadmap to a brighter, more financially secure future. And who knows, maybe you'll even learn the secret to making money while you sleep. Let's be honest, who hasn't daydreamed about winning the lottery and telling their boss exactly where they can stick their TPS reports? But here's the thing, financial freedom isn't just about having a fat bank account, it's about having options. It's about the freedom to pursue your passions, spend time with loved ones, and say yes to adventures without worrying about the price tag. Kiyosaki gets it. He knows that true wealth isn't measured in dollars, but in the freedom and opportunities that money can provide. He wants you to experience the joy of waking up excited about life, not dreading another day at the grindstone. Imagine this. You're on a cruise ship, the sun is setting, and you're sipping a tropical drink with a little umbrella in it. Your biggest worry? Whether to try the snorkeling or the scuba diving tomorrow. It's about having the financial security to pursue your dreams without being held back by the limitations of a paycheck. So, are you ready to ditch the rat race and start living life on your own terms? Retire young. Retire Rich is your guide to achieving financial freedom and creating a life of purpose, passion, and adventure. Get ready for a wild ride because Kiyosaki isn't afraid to challenge conventional financial wisdom. He'll make you question everything you thought you knew about money and show you how to create a life of abundance, even if you weren't born with a silver spoon in your mouth. This book is your invitation to join the ranks of the financially savvy, the people who understand that money is a tool to be mastered, not feared. Kiyosaki provides a clear, step-by-step guide to understanding your finances, building wealth, and ultimately achieving the financial freedom you deserve. So, buckle up, Buttercup. It's time to ditch the financial jargon, embrace your inner entrepreneur, and get ready to learn the secrets to building lasting wealth. Now let's get real for a second. Robert Kiyosaki wasn't always Mr. Moneybags. He didn't win the lottery or inherit a fortune from a long-lost relative. He started out just like most of us, working hard, paying bills, and wondering where all the money went. Imagine young Robert, fresh out of college, staring at a mountain of student loan debt and thinking, there's gotta be a better way. And guess what? He found it. But it wasn't easy. Kiyosaki's journey to financial freedom was paved with challenges, setbacks, and more than a few learning experiences. But through it all, he never gave up on his dream of retiring young and living life on his own terms. His story is proof that you don't need a fancy degree, a trust fund, or a winning lottery ticket to achieve financial freedom. What you need is the right mindset, a willingness to learn, and the guts to take action. Section 2. Mind over money, changing the game. One of Kiyosaki's biggest aha moments, realizing that financial success isn't just about how much money you make, it's about how you think about money. It's about shifting from a scarcity mindset, I'll never have enough, to an abundance mindset. There are endless opportunities to create wealth. Think of it like this. If you believe you're destined to be broke, guess what? You're probably right. But if you believe that financial freedom is within your reach, you're much more likely to make it happen. Kiyosaki wants you to ditch the limiting beliefs that are holding you back and embrace the idea that you have the power to change your financial destiny. He encourages you to stop seeing money as the enemy and start viewing it as a tool, a powerful resource that can be used to create the life you want. Section 3. It's not about being cheap, it's about being smart. Now, before you start clipping coupons and eating ramen noodles for every meal, let's be clear. Kiyosaki isn't advocating for a life of deprivation. He's simply saying that it's important to be mindful of your spending habits and make conscious choices about where your money goes. Think of it like this. Every dollar you spend is a vote for the life you want to create. Kiyosaki wants you to be empowered, not restricted. It's about having the financial freedom to indulge in the things you truly value and enjoy, without feeling guilty or stressed about money. Section 1. Building your empire, brick by brick and apartment by apartment. Okay, aspiring tycoons, let's talk real estate. Kiyosaki is a big believer in the power of property. Why? Because it's like having a money tree in your backyard, except instead of leaves, it sprouts rent checks. He sees real estate as a fantastic way to build wealth, create passive income, and even have a little fun along the way. Imagine this. You buy a cute little rental property. Suddenly, you're not just paying your own mortgage, you've got tenants helping you out. It's like having roommates who pay you to live there. Now picture this. You repeat that process a few times. Before you know it, you're not just a landlord, you're the ruler of your very own real estate kingdom. Kiyosaki explains that even small investments in real estate can snowball into big returns over time. Section 2. The magic of passive income, making money while you sleep. Ever wish money could just magically appear in your bank account while you're off having fun? Well, that's the beauty of passive income. It's like having your own personal money-making robot working tirelessly in the background while you focus on the things you love. Think of it like this. Remember that lemonade stand you had as a kid? You put in the work once, squeezing lemons, mixing sugar, and then you got to sit back and rake in the profits. Passive income is kind of like that, except instead of lemonade, you're selling digital products, online courses, or maybe even renting out a parking space. Kiyosaki stresses that building passive income streams is essential for achieving true financial freedom. Section 3. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, unless it's a really big, diverse basket. Remember that time you bet all your allowance on a turtle race, only to have your hopes and dreams dashed by a snail named Shelly? Yeah, Kiyosaki doesn't want you to make the same mistake with your money. That's why he's a big advocate for diversification. Diversifying your investments is like creating a financial buffet. You wouldn't want a buffet with just one dish, would you? No way! You want a little bit of everything. Stocks, bonds, real estate, maybe even a sprinkle of cryptocurrency for good measure. By spreading your money around, you're less vulnerable to market swings and unexpected events. It's about creating a safety net for your money so you can weather any financial storm that comes your way. Section 4. Become a financial detective. Finding opportunities where others see obstacles. Kiyosaki wants you to be more than just a passive observer in the game of money. He wants you to be an active player, a financial Sherlock Holmes, sniffing out opportunities that others might miss. This means being curious, asking questions, and not being afraid to think outside the box or the piggy bank. Imagine this. You see a for sale sign on a rundown building. Most people just see an eyesore, but you, my friend, see potential. With a little vision and some elbow grease, that dilapidated building could be transformed into a thriving business or a cash-flowing apartment complex. Kiyosaki encourages you to become a student of money, to learn the ins and outs of investing, and to never stop seeking new ways to grow your wealth. Section 1. School's out, money's in. The importance of financial education. Remember those boring lectures in school about mitochondria and the Pythagorean theorem? Yeah, Kiyosaki gets it. He knows traditional education doesn't always teach you the most practical things in life, like how to manage your money, invest wisely, or escape the dreaded 9-to-5 grind. That's why he's such a huge advocate for taking control of your own financial education. Think of it like this. You wouldn't try to bake a souffle without a recipe, would you? Managing your finances is no different. Kiyosaki encourages you to become your own financial guru, constantly learning, growing, and expanding your money-making knowledge. Luckily, you don't need to enroll in a stuffy finance course or decipher complicated textbooks. There are tons of fun and accessible resources out there. Podcasts, audiobooks, even hilarious Instagram accounts dedicated to making finance fun and relatable. Section 2. Embrace the roller coaster, taking calculated risks. Let's be honest, playing it safe might feel cozy, but it rarely leads to extraordinary results, does it? Kiyosaki knows that achieving financial freedom often means stepping outside of your comfort zone and taking a few calculated risks along the way. Don't worry, he's not suggesting you bet your life savings on a game of poker or invest in your Uncle Bob's questionable business idea. Think of it more like this. You see a chance to invest in a friend's promising startup. Sure, there's always a chance it won't work out, but your gut tells you it's a risk worth taking. Or maybe you decide to finally quit your soul-crushing job and pursue your lifelong dream of opening a bakery because who doesn't love the smell of freshly baked bread? These are the calculated risks that can lead to incredible rewards, both financially and personally. Kiyosaki encourages you to be bold, be daring, and embrace the unknown. Of course, always do your homework, weigh the potential risks and rewards, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Section 3. Laugh your way to the bank, finding humor in financial lessons. Now, we all know that dealing with money can sometimes feel about as fun as a root canal, but Kiyosaki is a firm believer that laughter is the best medicine, even when it comes to finances. He encourages you to find the humor in your financial journey, to embrace your inner goofball, and to not take yourself too seriously. Instead of beating yourself up over financial blunders, Kiyosaki encourages you to laugh it off, learn from your mistakes, and move on. Embrace your financial journey with a sense of humor, and you'll be amazed at how much lighter and more enjoyable the ride becomes. Teamwork makes the dream work. The power of networking. Okay, let's be honest. Sometimes the thought of networking can feel about as appealing as a cold shower on a Monday morning, right? But hold on. Kiyosaki reminds us that building a solid network is like assembling a team of financial superheroes, each with their own unique powers to help you achieve your goals. Think of it like this. You wouldn't expect to win a basketball game with just one player on your team, would you? No way. You need a point guard to dish out assists, a center to dominate the boards, and a coach to yell at you when you miss a free throw. We've all been there. Building wealth is no different. You need a network of like-minded individuals who can offer support, advice, and maybe even a few investment opportunities along the way. Kiyosaki encourages you to step out of your comfort zone, attend industry events, join online forums, and strike up conversations with people who inspire you. You never know who you might meet: a savvy investor, a brilliant mentor, or maybe even your future business partner. Section 2. Learning from the masters, finding your financial mentors. Remember that wise old owl in your favorite childhood storybook? Kiyosaki believes everyone needs a financial mentor, someone who's been there, done that, and has the financial battle scars to prove it. You wouldn't climb Mount Everest without a Sherpa guide, right? A financial mentor helps you avoid costly mistakes and reach your financial summit. Seek mentors who inspire and challenge you and who have achieved the success you aspire to. Sharing is caring and can make you richer. Remember that warm, fuzzy feeling you got as a kid when you shared your toys with a friend? Kiyosaki believes sharing your wealth brings greater rewards, both financially and personally. It's about using your wealth to make a positive impact on the world. Imagine using your wealth to support a cause funding scholarships or providing microloans. You'll experience joy and fulfillment from aligning your money with your values. Find a cause, give generously, and watch your generosity create a ripple effect of positive change. Section 1. The time is now. Your adventure awaits. So there you have it, folks. Robert Kiyosaki's Retire. Young, Retire Rich is more than just a book. It's a wake-up call, a treasure map. Kiyosaki reminds us that financial freedom is within everyone's reach. Whether you're starting with a piggy bank full of pennies, it's about changing your mindset, embracing your inner entrepreneur, and get ready to take control of your financial destiny. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. And a whole lot of laughter, you'll be well on your way to creating a life where work optional is more than just a dream. It's your reality. Section 2. Ready, set, retire, young and rich, of course. Now go forth and conquer those financial goals. And remember, you're not alone on this journey. Kiyosaki's book is your trusty sidekick, your financial advisor in your back pocket, and your cheerleader on the sidelines, reminding you that you've got this. Start small, dream big, and never underestimate the power of a well-placed investment and a well-timed vacation. So, what are you waiting for? The time to take action is now. Pick up a copy of Retire Young, Retire Rich, grab your highlighter, and get ready to unlock a world of financial possibilities. Your future self will thank you for it, preferably while lounging on a beach somewhere, sipping a tropical drink with a little umbrella in it. Remember, life's too short to be stuck in a financial rut. It's time to break free, chase those dreams, and create a life that's richer in every sense of the word. Congratulations on taking the first step towards a financially free future. Let's recap the key takeaways from our journey together. 1. Financial freedom is about having choices. It's the power to decide how you spend your time and money. 1. Smart investments can lead to early retirement. It's not just about working hard, but working smart. 1. Diversify your investments to minimize risks. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. 1. Financial education is crucial for success. Knowledge is your most valuable asset. 1. Networking and mentorship can accelerate your financial journey. Learn from those who have walked the path before you. 1. Sharing knowledge can enrich both you and others. When you give, you also receive. 1. Take calculated risks and find opportunities in obstacles. Every challenge is an opportunity in disguise. 1. Enjoy the journey towards financial freedom and early retirement. It's not just about the destination, but also the journey. Remember, you're not alone on this path. With the right mindset, tools, and support, you can achieve financial freedom and live the life you've always dreamed of. So go forth and conquer those financial goals. Your adventure awaits.